Welcome back. Now it's time for Workshop 10. In this workshop, you'll learn about conclusion sentences. This is how we are going to end your body paragraphs. But what is a conclusion sentence? The conclusion sentence is one sentence at the end of the body paragraph. It is similar to the topic sentence because it reminds the reader what the topic of the paragraph was. But we shouldn't just copy the topic sentence again. Here are 3 ways you can write your conclusion by changing your topic sentence a little bit. The first way is to write a conclusion sentence, you can rewrite the topic sentence using synonyms. Remember, synonyms are words with the same meaning, but are different words. So for example, if my topic sentence is, fish is the best food for me because I live near the sea, I can change the words best, near, and sea. For example, I could change best to greatest, I could change near to by, and I can change sea to ocean. Your conclusion sentence would look like this. Fish is the greatest food for me since I live by the ocean. Do you see how those synonyms change the sentences so that they are similar but not the same? The second way is you can also write a conclusion sentence by rewriting the topic sentence in a new order. For example, if my topic sentence is, fish is the best food for me since I live near the sea, I could take that and flip it around. My conclusion sentence would look like this. Since I live near the sea, fish is the best food for me. Do you see how I took the front of the sentence and the back of the sentence and put them in different places? Easy peasy, right? Now let's look at one more way. One more way to write a conclusion sentence is to combine both of these. Rewrite the topic sentence in a new order with synonyms. For example, if my topic sentence is, fish is the best food for me since I live near the sea, I could change it to this and make my conclusion sentence, since I live by the ocean, fish is the greatest food for me. That is a great way to write a conclusion sentence that is similar to your topic sentence but isn't copying it. Now let's move on and practice writing our conclusion sentences. Let's move on to practice number 1. Read the topic sentence, then use the synonyms to complete a matching conclusion sentence. Topic sentence. I would not like to have a pet dragon because they can eat people. Your synonyms are, instead of not like, hate. Instead of eat, devour. And instead of people, humans. Conclusion. I would blank to have a pet dragon because they can blank blank. Your conclusion should say, I would hate to have a pet dragon because they can devour humans. Great work using synonyms. Let's do the second one. Topic sentence. Dogs are the best pets because they can play fetch. Your synonym for dogs is canines. The synonym for best is greatest. And the synonym for fetch is ball. Conclusion. Blank are the blank best pet because they can play blank. It should say, canines are the greatest pet because they can play ball. Perfect work, and now let's do practice number 2. Read the topic sentence, then use the hint to rewrite it in a different order to make a conclusion sentence. Topic 1. Toast is the best breakfast since it is easy to make. Hint. Start with the sentence, since toast is easy to make. Your conclusion should sound like this. Since toast is easy to make, it is the best breakfast. Topic number 2. Toast is the king of breakfasts because you can eat it with your hands. Hint. Start the sentence with, since you can eat it with your hands. Your conclusion should sound like this. Since you can eat it with your hands, toast is the king of breakfasts. You're ready to go on to practice number 3. Copy your 3 topic sentences from Workshop 8. Then, rewrite them into 3 conclusion sentences to match them by using synonyms or changing the order of the sentence. For example, topic sentence 1 was, winter is the greatest since all the bugs are gone. The conclusion sentence is similar. Winter is the best because all the insects disappear. Topic sentence 2. I love winter the most because I can go snowboarding. Conclusion sentence. I can go snowboarding in the winter, so I love it the most. Topic sentence 3. Christmas is my favorite holiday, so winter is the best. Conclusion sentence. Winter is the greatest because I love Christmas. Notice how all the topic sentences and conclusion sentences are similar but not the same. Now it's your turn. Great work practicing your conclusion sentences. Now we can put everything we've learned so far together. We will start by rewriting our introduction. Remember, our introduction will have our hook, our background sentences, and our thesis. It will still answer the same essay question. Do you think winter or summer is better? From there, we will write our body paragraphs. Remember, we have more than one body paragraph with different topic sentences, different explanations, and now different conclusions. I can't wait to see how well you do. Now let's get started. Rewrite your introduction essay like we have done in the past workshops. Make sure to use the checklist, and if you check them all correct, you're ready to move on to writing your body paragraph 1 with your conclusion sentence. Rewrite the essay, body paragraph 1. Rewrite your first topic sentence and explanation for this essay question. Then rewrite the first conclusion sentence you wrote in this workshop. Remember, this entire paragraph should match the first reason in your thesis. Here's an example. Winter is the greatest since all the bugs are gone. There are no bugs in the winter because it is too cold for them to survive. Cold weather makes things freeze, including bugs. If the bugs freeze in the winter, they will die, so there are no bugs in the winter. Now here's the conclusion sentence we're adding. Winter is the best because all the insects disappear. When you're done, use the checklist and make sure you've written your paragraph correctly. It's the same as the other checklist, except now you're going to ask yourself, did I write a conclusion sentence that is similar to the topic sentence? If you check yes to all of these, you're ready to move on to body paragraph 2. Now, do the same for the second topic sentence, explanation, and conclusion sentence you wrote in this workshop. Remember, this entire workshop should match the second reason in your thesis. Here's an example of the second body paragraph. I love winter the most because I can go snowboarding. To go snowboarding, you need to have snow, and there is only snow in the winter. If there is no snow, there is nothing to slide down on a snowboard. Snowboarding is a fun sport, but it can only be done in the winter. Now we are adding the conclusion sentence. I can go snowboarding in the winter, so I love it the most. It's your turn. Write your topic sentence, explanation sentences, and add your conclusion sentence. When you're done, use the checklist. It's the same checklist from the last workshop, except now you're adding another question. Make sure to ask yourself, did I write a conclusion sentence that is similar to the topic sentence? If you checked yes to all of these, you're ready to finish body paragraph 3. Rewrite your third topic sentence and explanation for this essay question. Then, write your third conclusion sentence you wrote in this workshop. Remember, this entire paragraph should match the third reason in your thesis. Here's an example. Christmas is my favorite holiday, so winter is the best. Christmas is amazing because you get presents from Santa. Santa comes to your house at night with a sleigh and leaves gifts under your tree. Christmas is December 25th, which is always in winter. Now we're adding the conclusion sentence. Winter is the greatest because I love Christmas. It's your turn now. Copy your topic sentence and your explanation. Then write your conclusion sentence. When you're done, make sure you use the checklist. Follow the checklist and make sure you did all of them. It's the same as the last workshop, except you also need to ask yourself this question. Did I write a conclusion sentence that is similar to the topic sentence? If you checked yes to all of these, you are done writing your body paragraphs and you're ready to move on to the next section. I'll see you in the next workshop. Well done. You have now written an introduction paragraph and more than one body paragraph. You are turning into an essay writing master. I can't believe how well you've done. You've mastered body paragraphs, and now it's time to move on to our last paragraph, the conclusion paragraph. I'll see you in the next workshop.